Our group is the Robot Coffee Shop. We made an assembly line that'll make your coffee for you at home, just like you're at a Starbucks or a Caribou. It has a step where it does the coffee, the cream, and the stir, and all of the materials are handed to the line by a slide rail robot. And the line implements many different motors and a pulley system to get the coffee from the start to the end of the process. Components, we have the line and we have the robot. The robot is what delivers the inputs to the line, where the inputs are delivered to the cup, which will be the final output. The robot starts by going down to the end, and it goes carefully over the coffee cup. It'll pick up the coffee, and it'll carry this coffee over to the other claw. The other claw is a piece of the other line, and it allows them to communicate with each other between the rail and the line. So it aligns itself, it'll line up with the claw, and then as it gets into place, the claw, with just a little bit of a delay, will pick it up. It aligns itself like that. Should be good. The robot gets out of the way so that there aren't any collisions, and then the claw will flip the coffee with a reasonable margin of error, but most of it ends up in the cup. And it's just what we have to do to make it work. Moved on to the second station. The second station is for creamer, and while it moves on, the robot is also picking up the creamer and carrying it over. The same thing will happen again, where the claw will perform the transfer between... The transfer will occur between the robot and the claw once again to get the creamer over. And now the creamer is added to the coffee with the splash guard preventing any splashing on the audience. And finally, it'll move on to the final step of stirring with our custom motor with a spoon and stir rod. We have it timed to exactly 15 seconds for a perfect stir of your coffee. And then at the end, we have travel cups just like a coffee shop so that you can have your coffee to go. And there's our finished product.